Are you trying to find the spam or junk folder in your Mail app on your Gmail app on your iPhone? Whether you're using an iCloud email or a third-party service like Gmail, it's easy to locate and access your spam folder. This guide will walk you through the process to help you manage unwanted emails, so let's get started. Solution 1. Access spam or junk folder in iPhone Mail app, iCloud or default account. Open the Mail app, tap the back button in the top left corner until you see the Mailbox list. Tap the Allow icon right next to your email account. Scroll down and look for the junk folder under your email accounts. Tap Junk to view spam emails. You can also get access to trash folder as well. Solution 2. Access spam folder for Gmail account in iPhone Mail app. Open the Mail app, tap the three-dot line to navigate to the Mailbox list. Scroll down to your Gmail account. Tap Spam folder. Here, you will see all the spam mail on Gmail. With these steps, you'll easily access your spam or junk emails across different accounts on your iPhone. If you have questions, just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching!